this is for sure my last stop. It's what I believe to be my 7th antique mall of the day, which is insane. It's almost 6 o'clock. I'm exhausted. I'm still like a good 3-4 hours. I haven't even looked at traffic from home. I love one of the vendors here. I'm gonna try and be really, really picky. I've only spent $215 today. I knew I was coming here. They usually have higher priced items that are kind of hard to resist. So let's go in. We don't have much time. Okay, now I'm starting. First, this little mirror is too cute. It's only $8. I cannot resist. I'm gonna go ahead and grab this. If no one buys it, honestly, I'll use it. The mirror itself is in really good condition. Now, they already have a good idea of what they have and they don't have, I'm gonna be honest. The sun rubber is $25, which is exactly what I'd sell that for too. This one's pretty funny. I don't see a price tag on them though. Not crazy about the elephant. I know, it's cute, but I've seen it before and it's 25 bucks. I love that the real fur monkey is red and pink. $18 is about retail for that. This is so funny. Look at this little bow tie. Oh, they have like so many cute little miniatures. Like, oh my God, I wish that didn't have liquid in it. I love that. I just have to know how much this vase is. $150. Oh, beautiful. Entering a dangerous, dangerous, dangerous room. Yeah. Danger is a gross understatement. I'm just gonna start here and work over. Try to do it as quickly as I can. It's this little funny purse. It's adorable. Here's another one of those rubber bears. Don't see a tag on it. Oh, look at her. And she's rubber. I kind of love that. Might pick this up. Gonna leave Pinocchio. I had him before and it took me a really long time to sell him. I'd never seen this mouse thing. I had to know what that was. Lamb chop. Oh my God. Cloth bunny face. So cute. So this is my kryptonite. First, this. I feel like they're gonna know I was here. They're gonna be like, the girl who buys all the weird rabbits is here. Unfortunately, there's no price on that. Dang. What about this weird head? $8. Cute, but I really wish there was a price on that. I would totally buy that. I'm kind of glancing over the prices. I love the little egg, but it's 15 bucks, which is about what I'd sell it for. Now, this guy right here, he's pretty rough. $8. I wonder if someone would love him, even though he's been loved so hard. What about this one? Oh my God, wait, stop, look at this. Oh, I'm just gonna make a pile. I'm making a pile. All right, now this one, how much is she? 12. I might put that back. This is only $15, which is insane. Look at this giant candy box. Oh my gosh. Humpty Dumpty. I'm just gonna put my bag down here too. How much is Humpty Dumpty? I need to know. He's only 18. He's fantastic. And this Cupie. 18 again, that I cannot do. It's a little too rough. What is this? It's just like a bunny face. That is so cute. I'm not sure what you do with it, but I'm sure someone would figure it out for $4. I mean, come on. This panda bear thing. 18. Ah! But also, this Russian bear head. Spare parts, $19. Someone could repurpose this for sure. I feel like someone could repurpose that, right? I've had the bear before. It sold for like $250 or $400. I can't remember. I'm so fried. I know that's like a big difference, but if it's the actual Rushton one, it was $450. All right. This one is $40. I'm not gonna take that. This thing is very, very cute. $8. Put that in my pile. Oh, look at this stuffed animal. $12. I love him. All right, somebody better appreciate that I'm picking up all these stuffed toys. Oh my God, a giant tiger. Look at this monkey. He's definitely seen better days, but he's gunned and he's only $10. Oh, I kind of feel like someone will have to love him, right? His face is pretty cracked up, actually. Oh man, I'm getting totally nuts. Little Japan one. What's this guy? He's rubber and jointed. $30. That is fair, though. I feel like. Here's a Zippy. Those don't sell that well for me. This guy's pretty fantastic. How much is he? 18. Oh, man, I wish my stuffed animals were selling more. What is happening over here? I know I said it was going to go shelf by shelf, but I kind of lied. This little apple thing is so funny. 18. This is fantastic. I love that. Okay, but also this Knickerbocker Humpty Dumpty, this is probably gonna be expensive. Yeah, 41. That's about retail on that. This thing, a little vinyl toy, 25. Again, pretty close to what I'd get for that after fees. Bears. They're so expensive so far. This one's 18, I love that. Walking chick. What is this? That is fun. I wish I had more time here. I knew I was gonna regret doing this so late. What is going on here? How much are you? What's happening with this Santa Claus? It's a pot holder. How cute. Unfortunately, again, I don't see a price. Oh, this elephant though. Oh, wow. 24. He's old too. I love him. He's got a little bit of a busted tail. All right, keep going here. Can't give up now. Left in 48. Oof. Okay. Let me look at what this pile entails. Oh my gosh, and this giant pixie. Ah! I'm gonna leave all my stuff right here like a crazy person. And look in the next room. What is this planter? 10. It's a little too close. I'm getting a little out of hand here. Cats. This one's funny, 15. And this one's a little more common at 38. I already know the Italy one's gonna be overpriced. Or not overpriced, but just out of my price range, I should say. Like I said, I wish I had left more time here. Oh my gosh, like this cat, that is spectacular. I kind of knew this was gonna happen. Just be like real crazy at the end. I love the Nodder salt and pepper shakers. 18. It's not bad actually. Most of the time I find them and they're really overpriced. 4 Lefton elves playing baseball. Does that say 32 or 132? I hate when you can't tell. I need to know. Just kidding, it does say 132, so never mind. All right, I am unfortunately losing steam. I could spend all day just in this person's booth alone, I tell you. It's been a really long day. The Bambi bookend's so cute. I have a single one in my shop right now, but $28 for the pair. Fair price. Just give one quick glance over here. A lot of these are definitely at retail though. So I got out kind of scot-free. I tallied it up. I'm still under 100. I think I'm gonna just give one last glance over before they close. I'm still really in love with this elephant. Man, I wonder if I could get away with that. I'd probably end up keeping it though. Let's see. This bear's pretty great. I love that he's missing an eye, honestly. 24, that's not a bad price. I did miss this Christmas shelf. Kind of already know that's gonna be expensive. 38, yeah. Look at this goofy elf. Oh my gosh, so funny. 15. I actually feel like that's really reasonable. I could probably even make money off of him at that price. Yeah, he's pretty spectacular. Might pick that up. I'm still kind of bummed that this doesn't have a tag, but it's okay. And then another Lefton Valentine's Day box. This is probably it's only 21 bucks. Oh, I already have one in my shop right now though. Look at this. How cute. I know it's not supposed to be like that. It's not attached. I unfortunately think I just went about this the wrong way and I'm fried. What is that tin? That's spectacular. Yeah, I unfortunately think I do have to call it a day. I am really, really fried. Finish my lap here. I need to come back here. This elephant is really bothering me. I don't think I can let it go. Let me just look at these dolls right quick. Oh my gosh. Love a good German biscuit doll. 58. What is this? Cake toppers. So cute. Oh my god, look at these old happy birthday plates. It's just like, it just brings you so much joy. I would get this if it wasn't gonna melt probably. I just don't think I have it in me to make very good decisions right now. Too tired, cute little beanbag chick, oh my gosh. This is only $5, I'm gonna grab this. Little kitten mug. So cute. All right, I need to get going. They're about to close and my brain is fried. Well, if I wasn't fried then, I'm definitely fried now. The sun is setting. 95 is red all the way up. Big surprise. I went to 7 antique malls today. 2 in Virginia Beach, 1 in Norfolk, 2 in Williamsburg, and 2 in Richmond. I spent a total of $325. And I am ready to get a coffee, some gasoline, and not stop until I cross the Pennsylvania line.